Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how I was able to catch spikes, how I was able to catch multiple spikes, and I was able to make over $140 within a space of within 10 minutes. I'm not even sure it was up to 5 minutes. So I'm going to share with you the same strategy I use in catching the spikes. As you can see on my screen, this is Crash 500 index. I sold 5.0, that is lot size of 5 for Crash 500, and I made over $145, guys. $145 is it was very easy. It didn't take up to 10 minutes and it was done. All right, so I'm heading over to the chat to show you the strategy, how I did it. All right, guys, so the strategy I used that helped me to make that amount of profit was the same thing I've been talking in my video. You can acknowledging or identifying key levels in the market. Identifying key levels. As you can see, this you can see what happened around this region. Market got here and reversed. Mind you, it is reacting to this, to what happened here previously. This was a support zone. You see, market came here. Let's zoom in a little. See, market came down here, then retraced up before selling down. Now, so since then, each time market got to this same level, it reversed or retraced. See what happened there. So people that are trading reversal, short scalpers can just be making profit around this region. So you can see market was reversing each time it got to this place. So because of that, I would want to put my rectangle tool. The rectangle tool, I'll just put it around here so that I wait for when price gets back there again, as usual. So put it right here, then you extend it. I will extend it. Confirm. Okay, that's okay. You can see the touches, you can see, so that's good. All right, so you can see now when price got to this place again, when price got to this level again, it retraced, then came up again and gave it a double top, which is a reversal pattern. A reversal pattern, you see. So this is on the 15-minute time frame. So what I actually did was to go down to the 5-minute time frame, guys. I went down to the 5-minute time frame, and the 5-minute time frame, this is what I noticed. You see, I noticed this movement to this point, and also noticed this movement to this point. So in fact, actually, when I came in on chart, the market was still buying. I think it was somewhere around here. So I did not actually enter the trade immediately. What I did was to go down to the 1-minute time frame, because catching spikes is even better if you are on the 1-minute time frame. But your analysis must come down from a higher time frame so that you can be sure of what you're doing. All right, so I went down to the 1-minute time frame. On the 1-minute time frame, what did I see, guys? I noticed something. Let me show you what I noticed, guys. Let me bring out the arrow tool. So I noticed something like this. Look at the movement of the market. It was creating higher highs here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and it's something I noticed. It is something I can just put a trend line through it to see a breakout and retest. So I put this trend line, a trend line, something like this. After putting the trend line, I noticed that the market, it means the market has broken out of this trend, the current trend, and it's selling. So normally, from my experience in the market, after a breakout, there must always be a retest. Usually, if it happens like this, we will claim this would be a retest. Since I was not on the chart when this happened, I would have entered a sell trade. Immediately the price got to this level, I would have entered a sell trade and I would still make some money scalping down till this point, you can see. But since I was not on the chart that time, I did not take that trade. So what happened is the price market came sold down and started buying up above. So when I came on chart, this I think it was around this level that the market was. The market was somewhere around here, and and somehow I was a little confused whether to enter the market or not. I was just waiting to see something that will, because there must be something that will make you want to place a trade. If you do not see that anything that can force you to enter a trade, do not go. There must be something that will compel you that this trade should work before you go in for the trade. So while it was still buying, I did not see anything that was able to convince me. Then it gave this first spike. After giving this first spike, I wanted to enter the market. I had to wait because anything can happen. It might decide to still buy. It might decide to still buy because it was on a strong bullish. So, but what happened was it formed, the next candle it formed after this long spike was just a single candle, single bullish candle, which is this. Hold on. Trying to reduce the length of this arrow so I can. All right, so you can see this is the candlestick it formed. The candle just a single bullish candle on the 1 minute time frame. After this candle, then when the next candle wanted to form, it spiked down. So from my experience in the market, I have noticed that whenever you have a kind of a pattern like this, I'm not too sure about the name. I think it should be rally based rally, or whether drop based drop they call it. Once I see something like this, maybe a long spike, then just a single candle, then another spike, there's a very high chance of the market coming back to retest this same level. There's a very high chance of the market coming back to retest this same level, then to continue selling. Besides, it's coming from a strong, the market is at a strong resistance zone. So seeing this kind of a setup at this point gave me a strong confidence to go in for the trade. So I had to use 5.0 lot size. I had to use 5.0 lot size. Then immediately I entered the trade and waited. The next thing, boom, was the spikes. Spikes were coming in like water, guys. Just imagine. Just look at it here. As I just entered the trade, after the close of this bullish candle, I just waited a little. Next thing I saw spikes. Spikes came down right here. See, up to this level. And you can see the profit I made. You can see the profit I made. Let me just show you around. So you can see, unfortunately, I only took this screenshot from my other phone because I was trading with my other phone. So, and I am not sure the orientation the phone was when I took the screenshot. So if you can possibly rotate your device, you will see it properly that this is the chart. Crash 500 on 1 minute time frame. You can see sell 5 there, and you can see where I entered the trade and where the spikes are coming out from. You can see. So guys, okay, maybe if I keep it this way, I'm sorry for how this looks, but I believe if you look closely you can see what I'm talking about. You can see where I entered the trade. As immediately I entered the trade, the spike came in. It wasn't up to 1 minute or so before the spike started coming in. So guys, that is just it. So it's a very simple strategy. Now, right now, what I'm expecting price to react again is this place. You see this place? There's a very high tendency for price to react because the market is somehow bearish now. Price might react if you put a sell limit at this point. If you put a sell limit at this point, you might there's a very likelihood that you will get a spike at this point. This thing happens several and almost all the time in the market. What you need to do just to go through the chart, be just back test and be checking. After you see a long spike and you have just one candle and then you have another long spike, check what happens when price gets back to that region. When price what happens when price gets back there? There is a very big tendency to get very high tendency to get a spike at that point. This happens both on boom pairs and crash pairs, guys, and also happens on any time frame. You can see this on any time frame. Like now, if I go to the maybe 5 minutes time frame, let me see on the 5 minutes time frame. See, look at it on the 5 minutes time frame. Look at this here, guys. There's a tendency that if price gets to this place, it will spike. There's a chance that if price gets back to this place, it will spike because of these two long bearish candles, that bearish spikes that happened here. So if price retraces up to this point, there's a chance that it will spike again. For some, you can get some spikes there. So it happens on any time frame. Guys, if you can practice this strategy, it's very profitable. Mind you, trading spikes is more profitable than scalping. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to mark out your resistance and support zones, your key levels. Just mark them out. Once price gets to that zone, you wait for some confirmations. Look for a candlestick pattern or chart pattern that indicates a reversal. You might wait for maybe a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, like what happened right here. Let me show you guys something. After, when the price got there first, look at what happened here. Where is that tool? Okay, at this point, see here at this point, see what happened there. This is a reversal candlestick pattern. Then after that, we had this is a bearish candlestick, and you see the body is far bigger than the body of this green candlestick here. So this is a bearish engulfing somehow, or you can call it an evening star. Then it indicates a reversal pattern. So if after the close of this, somebody had entered a trade here, you see you get all these spikes. On the 5-minute time frame, 2 of these spikes can give you a good amount of money depending on your balance and your lot size. You can make up to $40 depending on your lot size, like I mentioned earlier. So these things work. So once you get the price gets to that region, you look for a confirmation candlestick pattern and you make your money. Guys, make your money easily and leave the market. Make your money easily and leave the market. Practice, and get used to it. Then you try it on your real account and make some cool cash trading boom and crash pairs in the market. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I implore you to always check for more updates on this video, because I will try my best to be uploading quality videos with quality tips and tricks on strategies that you can use to make some good money on the forex industry, guys. All right, so if you've not subscribed yet to this channel, please go ahead and do so. Then like this video so that it can be shared, it can be shown to so many other people that are interested or that are looking for quality information like this. Comment and tell me whatever you suggest. I'll try my best to attend to it. So guys, I think we should leave it at that point for now. Till my next video. See you. Peace out.